Home Remedies presents Wonderful Remedies using Carom seeds, Ajwain. No one will tell you about. Part 3. Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon and good evening to all my viewers. Hope you all are in good health. I am Rabia and in today's video, I will be covering some more simple remedies using a spice which is a superfood. This part can be more interested for women, so I recommend to watch the video till the end to get full information. And without any more wait, let's start. As this is an extension video, so I will directly move on to the remedies. Recipe for menstrual cramps. Ajwain is believed to be good for treating menstrual cramps of women such as irregular menses, menstrual cramps, etc. For getting relief in menstrual cramps, mix few drops of Ajwain oil in a tablespoon of coconut oil and apply on your lower abdomen. In addition, you can take concoction of Ajwain simply. Boil 1 teaspoon of carom seeds in drinking water and consume. It will help to relax uterus and to control pain and discomfort. Or you can try soaked carom seeds for irregular menses. Simply soak 2 spoons seeds in half cup of water in earthen vessel at night and keep it in the dew at night. Next day morning, grind it and consume it. Premature graying of hair. Ajwain seeds help in halting premature graying of hair. There are a couple of ways you can use it. Soak 2 teaspoons of dry roasted Ajwain in a cup of water overnight. The next morning, stir the water well, strain the water and then have it on empty stomach. Alternatively, massage your scalp and hair with carom seed oil and then leave it on overnight. Wash off with a shampoo the next morning. Repeat regularly to get back your black hair. Take a cup of water and add 2 to 3 curry leaves, couple of dry grapes, and a pinch of carom seeds and some sugar. Boil for some time and then remove from heat. Strain the water and drink this every day to stop premature graying of hair. Beneficial for pregnant women. According to folk remedies, consuming Ajwain is very beneficial for pregnant women. Pregnancy often brings along a host of gastric issues like constipation, acid reflux and bloating. Drinking Ajwain water has been found to be helpful to treat these problems. Even post-delivery, many women take the help of Ajwain water for better digestion, lactation, as well as cleaning uterus. Get rid of acne and acne scars. Ajwain or carom seeds have anti-inflammatory properties. They help in flushing out toxins from the body and help to maintain a clear, problem-free skin. Grind a teaspoon Ajwain seeds with lukewarm water and then make a paste. Add some lemon juice as well. Apply this directly on the pimples to get rid of the swelling. Not only acne, but Ajwain is beneficial for removing acne scars as well. Here is a simple DIY face mask recipe to get rid of acne scars and also flaunt clear skin. Mix together 1 to 2 tablespoons of plain fresh yogurt and some powdered Ajwain. Apply it on the face and then let it sit for 15 to 20 minutes before washing off with plain water. Repeat on regular basis for best results. For more beneficial remedies, stay tuned for my upcoming video. Hey guys, if you haven't watched the part 1 and part 2 of the carom seeds remedies, I will be posting the link to those in the video description. If you liked the video and found it informative and helpful, click the like button and subscribe to my channel for new videos daily. Don't forget to press the bell icon to be notified whenever I publish a new video. Share on your social networks to help others benefit from it too. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.